The verdict for former Central Narcotics Bureau Chief Ng Boon Gay will be delivered on February 14th. He was back in court today as the prosecution and defence presented their closing arguments. Ng is accused of obtaining oral sex from Cecilia Sue in exchange for helping to further her employer's business interest.
Why did Miss Cecilia Sue perform sexual favours on Ng Boon Gay? That was the question posed by Deputy Public Prosecutor Tan Ken Hwee in his closing arguments. The lead prosecutor said the basic facts of the case are that Ng obtained sexual favours from a sales representative interested in closing deals with the CNB and that he had never declared the conflict of interests to the Bureau. A key point raised, the timing during which Ng had demanded the various sexual favours. Going through the four charges, DPP Tan said Ng consistently asked for and received the favours either before or after the approval of papers required in awarding the IT contracts. In rounding up his arguments, DPP Tan said as a civil servant and one who had the authority to make decisions, the burden of proving he had received gratification legitimately was on Ng. Ng's lawyer, Senior Counsel Tan Chi Ming, in turn asked, where is the evidence? He argued that the prosecution picked selected parts of Ng's statements to the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau and took them out of context. Mr. Tan said the prosecution's entire case is based on the breakup between Ng and Miss Sue, but he pointed out that despite Miss Sue's claims that she was forced to perform sexual favours, she continued to send him suggestive text messages. Mr. Tan said the prosecution's case is internally inconsistent and that it's dangerous to convict Ng on Miss Sue's evidence. Now that both sides have presented their closing arguments, Ng is expected in court on the 14th of February when District Judge Siva Shanmugam will deliver his judgment.